It feels really good. Don't kick him too much, Kaylee.
It's time to get revenge for touching my brother.
Bro, look what, remember what he did to you?
No.
Get him!
Let it be.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we are downtown. We're on our way to the splash pad. Kaylee is meeting with two of her classmates, and I want to get them out the house. So I had a client this morning. By the time I got done, we had about 20 minutes to get ready. I got them ready, and then when I get back home, I'm probably going to relax a little bit. Then I got one more new client. These new clients has been coming in, so I really thank God for that. I'm grateful. But yesterday I worked, and then I had 3 clients, y'all. I overbooked myself again, so I'm going to start back manually taking appointments. So what I decided to do was to order me an appointment book, and I'm just gonna write it in there like that so I can avoid overbooking, because it's not intentional, but you know, things happen. So we about to come out here and let them play. I'm probably gonna try some food because they got food trucks out here. I'm gonna get the kids some ice cream and stuff. I wish we had a blanket because we could sit down and just like really let them run around, and it's not as hot.
I want to live out here.
Yeah, this is just downtown. This is the view, y'all. Yeah, I want to live on one of those too. Yeah, it's straight across, but you walk down that sidewalk. So I like it out here because today it's cool. When we came, it was too hot to sit down and enjoy. But we're gonna get some ice cream and some food, and we're gonna relax. So yeah, see y'all in a minute.
My lawyer.
Are y'all having fun? Pull his pants up, Kaylee. Okay, y'all, we're at the water park. This is Kaylee's friend Benjamin.
Hello.
And this is Kaylee's friend Camden. And this is Tuka. Y'all know Tuka. Pull your pants up. Come here, Tuka. Noah. You should have put on swimming trunks. Those are Jaden's shorts. Those are not yours.
I swear, if I go on YouTube tonight and I start smoking around videos of myself, I will go and die.
It's a nice little water park.
Here's what I'm gonna do. Hey, I swear, if I stroll across the park, I could have very bad.
No, Tuka. And that's Benjamin's little sister right there.
Get over me.
Are you having fun?
Yep, let's go to Kansas.
So yeah, you guys, y'all wanted me to film a little closer of the water park. Of the splash pad. I wanted to bring them because after Labor Day, they will be turning this thing off until next summer, I think. I'm not sure how that works, but I think it's like that with all of the pools. They turn it off after they after Labor Day. She's sweet. That's Benjamin's mom. It feels good, huh? It feels so good.
I love the teacher.
It feels so good because this is not too much. You can keep an eye on them, you know?
Yes. Yes.
I started vlogging, you know, it's something I want to start doing. I only got 393 subscribers, but I'm working on it.
Wow. Good for you.
Yes, thank you.
That's right. And then I looked at my door right here.
Oh, you have a rock. What part of Georgia were you from?
I'm from Edenton. It's very country. It's below Macon. It's nothing but trees and horses and cows. So everybody knows everybody.
Yes.
It's really small. So this is like the city to me.
Well, sure.
Yeah.
But like you were saying, I also love about Greensboro that there's city, but
country. It's really green. And you're in the country, yep. She's so sweet, y'all. She is really sweet. This is so fun. Like, y'all know with my anxiety, I normally don't. But this is fun. Like, I'm really enjoying it.
Oh, good.
Yes.
Yes, let's do more of this.
Yes, I'm all for it. Because we click, you know, I feel like we all three just click.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Because I'm a homebody, you know, I'm really nervous. I get a little nervous in public, but I told him, I said, I guess next weekend I'm going to have to get with some of your friends. I got to alternate.
Yes, yes.
You know?
Absolutely.
So he won't feel that. Because this is what he does at home. He's like an old man. He isolates himself from them two because they act just alike.
Gotcha.
He's like, I can't do it. They're too much.
He feels more mature. Yeah.
So I just let him be.
So, yeah, that'd be nice to get.
Yes, it's
a
so
little
much
play
to
date for him.
do. You guys have museums out here. You have
The Children's Museum, if you haven't tried that yet.
the new one. I haven't been
Across the
to this
street there.
one.
It's got a great
Indoor.
playground
Outdoor,
Yeah,
okay.
and then there's the farm area. It's a really nice.
I would love to do that with you guys. We went to the, I think it's in High Point, the newer museum.
Oh,
It has a Ferry wheel outside. It is so nice. It is so nice, and it's reasonable.
Okay.
It's really reasonable. It's in High Point, but it's a newer one. And when you go inside, there's a big net in the middle of the floor, and they can climb up to the top. It is so nice.
yeah, we didn't know that one.
Who slapped you? Somebody slapped you?
Splash.
Okay.
We're gonna go on a walk.
Okay, I'll be here. All right, you guys. So I gave you guys almost 5 minutes of it. 5 minutes with the kids. So I don't know not to eat it.
No, inspecting it.
Jaden, look at him. He's like, what is this? I'm like, well, they put the ice in there and churned it up, I'm guessing.
There's ice in the bottom?
That's what he said. It looked like ice, though. Jaden, is there ice in there? It is? Oh, maybe they really churned it. Why do you hear that noise? That might be what that is. They might be churning it. You think?
Yeah, that could be why it takes a minute
That's
too to
cool.
like.
That's cute with that homemade ice cream. You know? Y'all, we have us some drinks. Me and Dina, we got us some drinks.
We need a picture together. Can they?
We do. Is that not in front of no child? What? You want some water? All right, y'all, we brought them over to the park that we came to the last time. I was gonna get a little bit of a few of clips over here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just going to not do that, and I'll just let y'all see them play. I done got my pants wet because I was holding clothes, but wet clothes because Tuka had changed. And there's Tuka right there.
Do it because I have to end up pouring this out so it would reach up over. So you can drink all that.
Okay, that's Big Ben. We got Benjamin, and then Kaylee is gone, Jaden is gone, and look at them. She playing with him. He's sweet. He letting her play with him. So Kaylee is gone, Camden is gone, Jaden and Noah is gone. There go Jaden and Noah over there, and then the other kids are over there somewhere. But yep, that will be the end of this vlog, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I sipped on my little drink. The kids had ice cream, some fries, and I bought them some of these. I wanted it, but they took it, so I bought another one. And yeah, we about to get ready to leave, and we'll be coming to join them again. Benjamin's mom had some friends come out, so she's over there with them, and we just brought him over here to play with Kaylee and the other kids and Camden, and I'm with Camden's mom. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace.